And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, make sure you have that umbrella handy if you're waking up early tomorrow, because you're gonna need it. Rain's gonna come in and really last all throughout the day. We'll see a soaking rain. Some places maybe even seeing an inch. At least up to an inch. There's rain already starting to move its way into the western parts of the area. You expand this view, you see that line, all thanks to a cold front right behind it. That's going to be pushing in that rain. The good news is we're not going to see these temperatures really drop down until we get to Tuesday, once that cold front completely pushes through. So tomorrow, it's actually going to be one of the warmest days of the week. We'll see temperatures up in the 50s. Will be really nice to see that. All the severe weather, strong storms are staying up to the north. Not going to see any thunderstorms tomorrow. Just going to see some of that rain. Here's a look at the Precision 18 radar right now. Most places already seeing some rain, and we're actually already seeing some sprinkles here in Lafayette. I was just outside at my car, and I already saw the sprinkles coming down. So just because you don't see it on the radar just yet doesn't mean that it's not on your doorstep. Right now, though, temperatures, they've already fallen down into the low 40s. We're not going to get too cool tonight. Temperatures right now at 43 degrees with those winds out of the south around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those will pick up as we move throughout the night. Wouldn't be surprised if winds get around 15, maybe even 20 miles per hour, especially a little further up north. Benton County, right around Fowler, you can see a wind gust up to 25 miles per hour, dropping that wind chill, which is 39 degrees right now, down into the low 30s probably. So make sure you are dressing accordingly as you head out the door tomorrow. 41 degrees is going to be the overnight low, with these rain showers really all throughout the night and gusts again up to 20 miles per hour. Here's a look at Futurecast for the rest of the morning, heading into about 10 o'clock. This is 2 a.m. there. You see the rain mostly on everybody's doorstep. We'll see a little bit of a break maybe for the morning commute. I do expect to see a little more rain than what Futurecast is showing, so please have that umbrella handy as you're heading out the door. But we could see a little break from it until we get past the lunch hour. We're going to see a lot more rain move in. But again, I think Futurecast is really downplaying this a little bit. Wouldn't be surprised if that rain sticks around even early on in the morning. Waking up for that bus stop or that morning commute, temperatures in the low to mid 40s, 45 degrees there at 8 and 9 a.m. Winds staying out of the south around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Good chances of rain all throughout the morning. I threw in a 50% chance at 7 a.m. That's when we could see that little break, 7 to about 9. After that, though, expect chances really all throughout the day. Here's Futurecast for that lunch hour. This is noon. You really start to see that rain move in, covers the entire state. Great news for southern Indiana, as they are in an extreme drought right now. They really need to see that rain. That'll be great news for them. Again, some places could see up to an inch of rain. Most places, really everybody will be seeing around a half an inch of rain. So much needed rain down to the south for us really won't cause too much harm at all. Just be a nice soaking rain. Maybe a thunderstorm or two later on in the afternoon, especially to the southern parts of the area. Can't rule out a thunderstorm. If you do get a thunderstorm, those rain totals obviously will be higher in those isolated areas. Temperatures all throughout the day tomorrow going to be in these upper 50s, 50 degrees by the time we get to 5 o'clock, as we quickly move through the low 40s into the upper 40s. So throughout the most part of the day, you're going to be in those upper 40s, hitting 50 degrees right around 5 o'clock. Temperatures everywhere else, 51 degrees in Frankfort and Rossville, 52 degrees in Crawfordsville, 50 degrees in Romney. Here's a look at the next 7 days. You see these temperatures warming up quite a bit Monday and Tuesday in the 50s, about 10 degrees above average on Tuesday, and it quickly drops down as that cold front completely pushes through. We'll be back down into the 40s, actually dropping down a little bit below average by the time we get to Thursday. 42 degrees and a pair of 40s there on Friday and Saturday. So once we get past Monday, which is going to be a very soaking rain, like I've said, we're going to see a pretty dry forecast here until we get to next Sunday. So just have that umbrella handy. After that, you should be fine.
I'm looking forward to it because my sinuses, and I've been sniffly, and it's been kind of crazy. So,
it has been.
Alrighty. Well, thanks, Jeremy.